projection of energy so that we might be able to utilize a satellite as a system of transferring energy from one place in the Earth to the other, or collecting it in the space and transferring it to Earth. Has there been much research on that, or is that just a forgotten project?
Congressman Rohrabacher, thanks for bringing that one up. It is an exciting idea, and I'm glad to report that there are several efforts underway currently at NASA in that particular technology. One is through the NASA Innovative Advanced Concepts Program, which is part of the Space Technology Program within my office. We have a so-called NIAC Phase 1 study, the Solar Power Satellite via Arbitrarily Large Phase Array, that's SPS Alpha. It focuses a modular approach that would one day make a huge orbital platform to be megawatts of wireless power. Now, NIAC is known for those very far-out ideas. In much more nearer term, we had the Centennial Challenges program. You may remember this is our flagship prize competition activity. Prizes have often been recognized as a great innovative way to bring in non-traditional offerers and technologists to solve hard problems. We offered a prize for beamed power in 2005 through 2009, looking at how to beam power to a spacecraft that could rise through the atmosphere using that kind of power. In fact, one of the competitors, Laser Motive LLC, was awarded $900,000 in the 2009 challenge because of the practical demonstration of power beaming. And now, more recently, the Game Changing Development Program, again, one of the space technology programs. In 2011, we awarded approximately $3 million for concept studies to multiple companies for a first phase study called Ride the Light. There's work done by Teledyne Brown Engineering in Huntsville, Alabama, Aerojet in Redmond, Washington, ATK in New York, Laser Motive in Kent, Washington, and a number of others, including JPL, Boeing, and the Aerospace Corporation. These studies show that a cost of a Phase 2 ground-based demonstration wouldn't be feasible in the FY12 appropriated amount for space technology, but it does provide a path forward for looking into this research into the future. As you suggest, it is a far-out idea, but it's got some promise, and this is the sort of thing that we pursue through the Space Technology Program, because where else are you going to do it? You know, it's got to be done at NASA.
If we, you know, most people don't know we lose a lot of electricity when it's transmitted over wires. And come to think of it, is there that much loss when we transmit it by beaming it? And that's the type of studies that I'd like to see, because it might even be cost effective to transfer it from space to Earth rather than, you know, producing it in Earth and using wires to send it thousands of miles away. One last thought, and I know I just got a few seconds here, and that is, we've heard about the sonogram and some of these